In today's video, we're going to be learning how to play Uno all wild. As you can imagine, it's just like Uno, except every single card is a wild. Let's begin. The goal of the game is to reduce the number of cards in your hand to 0 before every other player. To begin the game, choose a dealer, then shuffle the deck and deal 7 cards to every player. Then, the remaining cards go into the center of the table, and they become the draw pile. This is where you'll draw cards if necessary. To create the discard pile, flip the top card of the library. If this card happens to be an action card, like the ones we'll be going over later in this video, ignore the action and begin play. The player to the left of the dealer begins play, and order continues clockwise. Before we go any further into this tutorial, if you don't already own Uno All Wild, consider using the affiliate link embedded into this video. If you buy Uno All Wild through that link, I get a small commission, and that helps support the channel. And you get the game that you want, so I would appreciate it. Anyways, let's get back to the guide. Since every single card in the deck is a wild, you'll always have a card available to play. If you'd like to play a card onto the discard pile, simply take it and place it onto the discard pile. Unlike regular Uno, you don't have to worry about colors or symbols matching. Every single card is a wild, so it can be played at any time. You can play up to 1 card on the discard pile each turn. Then it is the next player's turn. If you do not want to play any cards from your hand, you may draw a card. If you would like to play that card, you may play the card you drew onto the discard pile immediately. Otherwise, put the card into your hand and skip your turn. It is then the next player's turn. If you only have 1 card in hand, you must yell Uno. If you don't, and another player catches you, they may challenge you. And if they successfully challenge you, you must draw 2 cards. Let's now go over the main appeal of this game, which is all of the new action cards. First is the regular wild card. While technically every single card in the deck is a wild, you can still change the color on top of the discard pile while playing a wild. You may change the color on top of the discard pile, but of course, since every single card is a wild, that doesn't matter, but you can still do it for fun. Next is the wild reverse card. This card works identically to a reverse in regular Uno. If it would have been the next player's turn, order is then reversed, either going from clockwise to counterclockwise or counterclockwise back to clockwise. If the player to your left would have gone next, they do not go next. Instead, order is reversed and the player to your right takes the next turn. Then, order of play is flipped from whatever it was before until another reverse is played down. Next is the wild skip card. Once again, this works identically to a skip in regular Uno. The next player loses their turn. Then, the player after the next player goes next. Next is the wild skip 2 card. This, just like a skip, skips the next player's turn, but also skips the player after that's turn. It skips the next 2 players' turns. Then, that third player gets to go next. Next is the wild draw 2 card. When you play this card, the player who's going next must draw 2 cards, and they also lose their turn. Play continues as normal from there. Next up is the wild targeted draw 2 card. When a player plays down this wild card, they may choose another player to draw 2 cards. It can be any player at the table. That player does not lose their turn even if they were to go next. Then, play continues as normal with the next player, even if they were targeted with the targeted draw 2. This card may force anybody to draw, but they do not lose their turn if they do draw. Next is the wild draw 4 card. The player going next is forced to draw 4 cards and loses their turn. Play continues as normal from there with the player after the player who drawed 4 cards going next. And last but certainly not least is the wild forced hand swap. When the wild forced swap is played, the player who played it gets to switch their hand with any given player. Say another player has just 1 card, they would swap hands. So I, the player who played the force swap card, would get 1 card, and the other player would receive my hand. Something to keep in mind, if you do force swap with a player and all of a sudden only have 1 card in hand, just like if you were to get a regular Uno, you must yell Uno. Otherwise, players can challenge you, and you will be forced to draw 2 cards. And that's the entire game. If this was helpful, consider leaving a like. And if you don't already own the game and you'd like to support me and the channel, consider using my affiliate link embedded into this video. If you purchase Uno All Wild using that link, you get the game that you want, and I get a small commission, which helps supports me and my content. So thank you.